Well, I figured I'd get on here and show you a little something. I'm sure you can probably find it on YouTube all over the place, but hey, this right here. I don't know if you can read that or not. Maybe my fingers in the way here. Let's see if you can read that. Hell if I know. Anyway, that's a capacitor. Out of a 95 Jeep. There's three of them. They put them in some gel stuff. Got to kind of scrape all that away. What I'm getting at here is if you're having a problem with it starting. Let's say you jump in, hit the key. Little computer light that says engine or computer or shows a little, a little circle thing. If it doesn't light up, good chance your computer's causing a problem and won't allow it to start. It'll just crank good, won't start. You think, oh man, it's a coil, it's this, it's that. No, it's these three little capacitors. Usually just one of them goes bad, but at least that's my experience. Just one of those is bad. There's three of them. But anyways, buy yourself some wicking stuff there. Yeah. Use that with your soldering iron. You don't need anything expensive. And heat the things up, pull them out, wick the stuff out with this. They make some other stuff, but it's just a little technique. Once you got it down, and you got it for life, okay? You'll know how to do it. But that was the reason why the damn thing wouldn't start. It had no spark at all. Everybody think, coil, maybe rotor, Could be a lot of different things. No, it was, and there's just three of them in there. That's all. There's just three capacitors, and one of those was bad. And it caused it not to start. Weird. 1 minute it's running, shut it off, next minute machine won't start. Figured I'd get on here and, well, that's basically what this channel is made for, with stuff like this. But kind of sometimes it gets off track. Man, I'm going to take a puff off this before it goes out. So anyways, hopefully you saw what they are. And they're not expensive. You can get them on eBay, Amazon. Heck, a lot cheaper than sending it in for, I don't know, $100. You can do it yourself. It's not rocket science. Just take your time. I mean, I don't know, if you want, I'll do a video and find an old computer and unsolder and solder some stuff in it, to show you. But it's really, it's technique more than anything. Y'all have a good one.